sir.
showed the court
Yes, sir.
today.
Yesterday I was with her. I gave her 120 because she lost her key.
Hold on one second, Mr. Talley. Mr. Dixon.
Enjoy the video. Hit the like button.
We're hearing calls number 2509473, Dixon and Dixon. For the parties in the Dixon matter, please unmute yourselves, turn your cameras on, and raise your right hands. Do each of you solemnly swear or affirm? Ma'am, you need to leave your hand raised. Sir, do you have your hand raised? Okay. Do each of you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Miss Dixon? Miss Dixon?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and Mr. Dixon?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
All
ma'am.
right, you may both lower your hands. And Mr. Talley, you may proceed.
Thank you, Judge. We are hearing a petition to establish the parent-child relationship. I first ask that the court take judicial notice of the temporary order that was signed by the court in this matter on September 25th.
So noted.
Thank you, Judge. All issues pled for were addressed in the temporary order with the exception of the retroactive support. We are asking today that the terms in the temporary order be made final. And then the state is also requesting that the final order include a retroactive child support judgment against Mr. Dixon in the amount of $2,796 as of September 30th. With a payout on that judgment of $50 per month beginning January 1st. This issue is contested, if I may call the parties as to the issue of the retroactive support.
You may.
Ms. Dixon, would you please state your full name?
Sanaya Dixon.
And did you hear the terms of the final order that I described to the court?
Yes, sir.
You understand that the terms of your temporary order would be made final, and then we're also to add in potentially this judgment for the retroactive support today.
Yes, sir.
And are you in agreement with the terms of the final order as proposed?
Yes, sir.
Now, the state has calculated that from March of this year when your child was born through September, which is the month prior to when his child support started in the temporary order, that had he been ordered to pay support for those months, he would have paid a total of $2,996. You understand that, correct?
Yes, sir.
And you are giving him a credit for, or you are agreeing that he has paid you $200 that he should get a credit for that time frame, correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. What method did he use to give you that money? Was it cash? Was it Zelle or Venmo, something like that?
It was Cash App, and sometimes he'll bring cash.
Okay. I'll pass the witness, Judge.
Okay, you may call your next witness.
I'll call Mr. Dixon. Sir, would you please state your full name?
Batavian Dixon.
And did you hear the terms of the proposed final order?
I did hear it, but I don't agree with it. But I did hear it.
Right. So you understand that the final order would include all the terms of the temporary order and then would add in this retroactive judgment that we're discussing today, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And the portion that you do not agree with is the credit that you should be receiving for the retroactive support. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How much do you believe that you paid to Ms. Dixon between March and September of this year?
Over $2,000. I just yesterday gave her 120 because she lost her key, and I gave her 120 yesterday. I got the proof.
Do you have any documentation or receipts that
Yes,
you
sir.
can show the court?
Yes, sir. Yesterday I was with her. I gave her 120 because she lost her key.
Hold on one second, Mr. Talley. Mr. Dixon, we're only talking about the period from March to September.
Yes, ma'am. Cash App.
Hold on, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Hold on, sir. Anything you've done after that, we're not talking about that. So do you have proof that you paid her more money than $200 between March and September?
Yes, ma'am. Cash App.
Okay. And how much money does your Cash App say you paid her?
If you don't mind if I look, Judge, but I know it's close to like 2,000, like close to 1,200.
Okay. Did you show that information to the Attorney General's office?
I was at work and I'm at work and I didn't bring no paperwork. I tried to I can log into my Cash App to show the transaction with me and Miss Sanaya. But my paperwork and all that is at the crib because I didn't know that I was supposed to bring it because I had to work today.
Okay. Mr. Tally, is there a method by which he could get that to you guys?
Judge, we discussed this in the breakout room. And he was not able to send it to me. And just so the court is aware, the reason for this matter being reset from September was this, so that he could
Okay.
provide documentation.
Okay. You may proceed, Mr. Tally.
I actually don't have any other questions for this witness, Judge. I'll pass the witness.
Okay. Then I will order that the provisions of the temporary order in this case be made final. I'll order a retroactive child support judgment of $2,796. Order that judgment paid at $50 per month. Start dates will be January 1st, 2026. Mr. Dixon, if you don't like my ruling, if you think it's not fair, or you don't agree, you have 3 days to appeal, 30 days to file a motion for new trial. What court is this out of, Mr. Tally? The 254th? This is out of the 254th District Court. That is Judge Kim Brown. She might have a different opinion from mine. Do you have any questions, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your question is?
I understand. Okay, so about the payment arrangements, I know I was talking to him about I I does my payments, but I know he said that I had to file something to do like to see him because the days that I supposed to get him, I don't get him. They don't let me. I don't get him at all. And the only way I can see him if I'm over
So,
there.
sir, so now you have an order, and the order states that you get him on certain days. If they don't allow you to see him, just like she can file a motion to enforce against you for not paying your child support, you can file a motion to enforce against her for not allowing you to see your child. Okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. Dixon, is there a reason he can't see the child?
No.
Okay.
The last time he
No, it's okay. If there's no reason that he can't see the child, you two are under an order to allow him to see his child. And like I told him, if he doesn't pay his child support, you can file a motion to enforce against him. If you don't allow him to see the child, he can file a motion to enforce against you. Okay? Everybody understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, one more thing. If he never pays a dime of child support, he still has a right to see his child. And Mr. Dixon, if she never lets you see your child, you still have an obligation to pay your child support. Now, does everybody understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Then thank you both for appearing here today, and you're both free to go. What's next,
Thank you,
Mr.
Judge.
Tally?
That's all I have, Judge.
All right. Thank you.